Hey guys, it's Blessing. Welcome back to YouTube Tips by Blessing. Today I'm going to tell you why your YouTube videos are not getting views and exactly what to fix so you can start growing fast in 2026. So if you are tired of low views, low subscribers, or you are struggling to get attention, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell because this video is going to change your YouTube game. Let's go. Your title isn't optimized. The first reason your videos aren't getting views is your title. Yes, your title must have real keywords people search for, not creative titles only friends understand. Here is how to fix it. Think of what people type into search. Include phrases like 2026, how to, beginner, and your main keyword early in the title. Example is how to get 1,000 subscribers fast in 2026. YouTube growth tips. That title tells both the algorithm and human being exactly what your video is about, and that is why it gets views. Here is your reason number 2. Your thumbnail isn't clickable. Second reason, your thumbnail doesn't attract clicks. If your thumbnail blends in, people scroll past you. Fix it by using bright background, adding big text showing the result like 100k views, your face showing emotions, surprised, excited, confused. People click on visuals that tells a quick story. Make your thumbnail a click magnet. Here is your number 3. Your video isn't searchable. Major reason your video isn't showing up is because you didn't optimize SEO. SEO means keywords in the first title, keywords in the description, keywords in the tags. Write a long description, at least 150 plus words, and sprinkle your main phrase 3 to 5 times naturally. YouTube reads this and knows what your videos is about. Here is your reason number 4. Your watch time is low. Even if people click your video, if they leave quickly, YouTube hates growth. Watch time matters more than views. Fix watch time by delivering what you promise in the title in the first 15 seconds, using simple cuts to keep it engaging. Testing what is coming next. Example script is: first, I'll show you the number 1 reason views are low, and later I'll show you the exact fix that worked for me. That keeps people watching. Here is number 5 reason you are not posting consistently. A big reason small channels struggle is consistency. You don't need daily uploads, but you do need a schedule you actually keep. Whether it's once a week or twice a week, commit to it. YouTube loves consistency. Viewers loves consistency. Growth happens when you stick to a rhythm. Here is number 6. You are not looking at your analytics. Your analytics tell you exactly why a video fails or why it wins. Here is what to check. Click-through rate, CTR, average view duration, and audience retention. If your CTR is low, fix thumbnails and titles. If your watch time is low, fix your hook and pacing. Analytics are like a roadmap. Don't ignore them. Number 7, you are making content too broad. If your videos are too general, no one knows what you specialized in. Pick a niche like YouTube growth for mobile creators, and make videos your audience can count on. That helps YouTube recommend you to the right viewers. Here is my final tip. Use keywords in search. Make clickable thumbnails. Hook viewers fast. Learn from analytics. Publish consistently. Fixing these 7 things will dramatically increase your views. Not tomorrow, but starting this week. If this helps you, comment views below and tell me which tip you will use first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a creator who needs it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.